Want to switch from now BT Mobile to Tesco Mobile and keep your number? It's easy. This section explains how. The key is a PAC, or porting authorization code. First, get your PAC from through their app, online portal, or by calling them. It's free and valid for 30 days. Don't cancel your contract yet. Next, order a Tesco Mobile SIM or choose an eSIM online. Provide the PAC during setup. Tesco will give you a temporary number. Once the number is ported, usually within 1 to 2 days, insert the new SIM or activate your eSIM. You can then cancel your contract to avoid getting double billed. Also, if your phone is locked to make sure you unlock it first. After inserting your Tesco Mobile SIM or activating the eSIM, test your connection. Remember, any unused data or minutes on won't transfer, so use them up. Opting for an eSIM makes the process faster and eco-friendly. A potential issue is an expired PAC. If this happens, request a new one immediately to avoid service interruption. Some users report taking up to 48 hours for full activation, so be patient. To avoid delays, double-check that you have no outstanding payments with Tesco Mobile also has bundles with perks like data and streaming, so explore those options. By following these steps, you can seamlessly switch to Tesco Mobile while keeping your number.